If you need to block someone on Payoneer, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and no transactions are protected. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the contact section. Once logged in, look for the contact or support section in the menu. This is where you can manage your connections and report issues. Step 3. Find the user you want to block. In the contact or support section, search for the user you wish to block. You may need to enter their email address or user ID to locate their profile. Step 4. Select the block option. After finding the user, look for an option that says block or report. Click on this option to initiate the blocking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block this user. Confirm your choice to finalize the blocking process. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Payoneer and maintain your account security. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Payoneer's customer support for assistance.